so you're doing the same weave, over, under, home. And then what you do is you lift the leg for the second beat. So you go over the leg, then you lift the leg, do the circle, and then cross your leg to the other side of your body. So you're gonna stand and hold your weight on your right leg. You're gonna lift this and cross this way to exit. So you lift your left, cross it to the right side to exit. Lift your left, cross it to the right side to exit. Lift your left, cross it to the right side to exit. So if you looked from the back, it would look like this. Lift my left, cross it to the right. Lift my left, cross it to the right. Now, if you watch it with the poi from the side, even ignoring the over part, just going under it, you're going side to side. You have to reach low, and then I'll show you from this side. That whole thing I used to say about feel the heat is still true. You want it close enough under your groin that you can get a good reach under your leg, and then you cross the leg to the other side to exit. So you come in from here, underneath your groin, go under the leg, do the circle, cross the leg to exit. Let's practice this. You're gonna go over, under, home. 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 Here's the goal. It'd be, and that's not necessarily a goal, but as an arbitrary goal that's useful, I would say, like that's a nice goal. That was just 4 under the leg repeatedly in a weave, and you just, all you do is alternate the leg you go under. Let's do the next step of it. Wrap up your left poi and practice going over the arm, under the leg and out. Over the arm, under the leg and out. Over the arm, under the leg, out. You just start in your weave and you'd be like, okay, there, that's where it'd be. Okay, it's going under, so there. Okay, this next time I'm gonna lift my leg, go under, and exit. Be like, okay, there, that's where it'd be. Okay, it's going under, so there. Okay, this next time I'm gonna lift my leg, go under, and exit. Okay, it's going under, so there. Okay, this next time I'm gonna lift my leg, go under, and exit. Starting out, same thing. You're lifting your right leg and you're crossing it over the midline, or if you look from here, lifting, crossing over the midline. And then it's, as you're going side to side, you're gonna enter on the right and then exit when you cross the right leg to the left side. So you go under, cross to the left, and go under and cross to the left. And try and point your toe and do better than me. And then you can practice doing over, under, home. Do better than me. Over, under, home. Over, under, home. Over, under, home. And practice going over your right arm, under the leg, home. Over the right arm, under the leg, home. Over the right arm, under the leg, home. Take the left poi over the arm, under the leg, out. We're gonna do the weave, and then when you're ready, so right there, it would go under the right leg. Right there, it would go under my right leg. Right here. Right here. Right here. Make sure you reach far enough so that the rotation's all the way on the other side of the leg. And then, what you could do for homework is practice. Okay, I'm gonna do it on my right side. When I'm ready, okay, right there. Okay, and now we're gonna do it on my left side. Okay, right there. And then I'm gonna do it on my right side, right there. Then I'm gonna do it on my left side, right there. And then eventually, you could just, all you do is that.